All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for joining me. And we have a little amount of things to talk about, but we're going to go straight into the point. What I want you guys to do before I do that is smash the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. As you know, I'm on the road to 10K. 10K people, I am on the road to 10K. And we're going to discuss the FIFA rankings, and that's something that I know most of you guys are quite interested in. Now, last time we checked, Jamaica was ranked on 59. So we jump, you can't call it slide or jump, to two places, two position into 57. Now, the point based system that they do use is quite complicated, really, really complicated. So I won't necessarily get into that. But what I will get into is why the light is off. What I will get into is how we could have significantly improved even going further than 57. I assume that, oh yeah, I think this is the live FIFA ranking. But definitely, definitely we have things to look at. So let's look at it now. Jamaica ranking. Women team is ranked at 51. We are at 57. Oh, women team doing better than us on every aspect. So the current recent ranking is 57, average ranking is 60, highest ranking is 27, lowest ranking is 116. So for those who don't know, now you know. For those who don't know, so this is how it is. Let's look at the dates. 2018, rank 48. Or no other ups. Oh yeah, let's look at it. Okay, so February this year, we ranked 47. We ranked 45th in April, 45th in May, 15 August, 59 in September, 59 in October, and now, as you know, 57 in November. So these are the women ranking, and I don't necessarily need to get into that aspect of it. What is this? What's going on? You mad? You mad? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, people, I am going to also look at how things could have been different, how we could have made things a bit different. Let's go. So we are going to look at the form that we were in throughout this time period. Let's look at our form. All right. So this is our form. This form starts from the 2nd of November, September, on the 2nd of September, down to the 16th of November. So September to November, that's almost 2 months. No, that's over 2 months. 2nd of September, 2nd of October would be 1. 2nd of November would be 2. Yeah. So that's 2 months going, people. So in the last 2 months, we have played during this time period that you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 games. Yeah, these are the qualifiers. So we have one of 8, and we drew 1, 2, 3, 4 games. Now we drew against Costa Rica, we drew against Canada, El Salvador, and the USA. Now we have a few favorable games coming up. If we had won, let's say if we had won like 2 more out of those games, there's a strong possibility that I would have been in a better position than what we're in at this moment. But I definitely won't go any further in more details on this. As you can see, we're 6 on the table on 7 points. Huge 7 points gap. Costa Rica and Panama struggling for 4th position. Yeah, we are way off. We're gonna have to work some miracle to get ourselves back into this. Definitely gonna have to work some form of miracle. So I think that covers it. No, I want to speak to you guys about something, but I'm not remembering it. Definitely. But guess what? Speak to you guys next time. So, guys, remember, smash the like button, go into the comment section, people, and tell me what you think. Do you believe that we're going to go any further down to the high end, or we're going to go down to the low end? Yeah. So people, thank you very much for tuning in. This has been really a good one. Military Guna TV people, smash the like button, please. Hit that subscribe button as well. Definitely, this FIFA ranking structure is not good, and I am out.